Hello fellow traders. Monday's done. The gains couldn't hold. We had super light volume today. A nice sell-off from the high. Looks like we're rolling over. I'm going to go through a couple things today. I'm definitely looking for the fall down to the 50-day on the S&P 790 to happen pretty rapidly from here now. If tomorrow's a down day, we've definitely put in our first lower high, and that's what we needed to see. I'm going to grab the camera here and show you the big picture and then go over something a little tighter. As far as my Bed Bath & Beyond trade, I want you guys to start looking at this 30 area. It's going to be real tough for Bed Bath & Beyond to get back above 30 now. Once it cracks through 29, like I showed on those charts last week, where all those points were pointing to over the 3-year chart, definitely start seeing some downside on that from there. Looking to cover on that. I'd like to get somewhere around 25, but I'll probably be antsy if the S&P's back at the 50-day. So depending on where they're at is where I'll be covering. More than likely we'll get a bounce off the 50-day, to give people hope. 790 back to the 825 area, maybe even up to 840. Just doesn't seem like it wants to slide fast right now. And we're definitely going to battle these supports on the way down. Friday, I was at the post. I jumped the gun a little bit on FAS. That's okay. I picked up a chunk at 825, so I'm holding FAS again. Didn't pick up no more SRS. I'm still holding my good chunk of SRS at my average of 32. As far as those trades go, I'm more trading FAS and holding my SRS. Why I'm doing that is because we know how the market's moving right now, and we know how FAS and SRS can move. What I feel's coming though is some consecutive down days. And that's why if we do get another fat down day tomorrow or some point this week, I'll probably clear my FAS for another 20-30% gain. And then hold on to my SRS for a few more legs. Last week it bit me. That's why I feel we gotta have some consecutive down, going into our 8th week of this rally, and we're definitely rolling over. So let me grab this camera here and show you what's going on. This is like the 3-year chart, and I like to pull this up because these are our trends that we've been following. This is our first little downtrend we had back here, June, July of 07, or excuse me, like of 06, before our last little run up. I like that because you go across those tops and it points right to our low, and we found support. Now this is the S&P. I'm going to grab this here because I've been going off these bottoms and hoping that these bottoms were going to hold right here. See this line I'm drawing right here? But I'm going to take it away. Obviously it didn't hold. It went through, then came back and found support, and we moved up, but on light volume. So I'm going to take this one away again right here. Because remember, this one now looks more like the Dow. Our first lower high and lower low after the big 3-year climb, and then we had our, so that's where we're at now on the S&P. So maybe that's what had to happen, because the Dow definitely failed. We're still under this if you look on the Dow. I'm not going to pull it up today, but now the S&P's there on the true same one as the Dow. Look at that, dinked it there. See that? So this is what we're looking for. Boom, boom, boom. I feel the fall's coming quick down to the 790 area. Wouldn't be surprised to see the 750 kick in real fast too. You can definitely pick a little bit up, I think, at the 7 90 area for a day or two bounce, because a lot of people are. But this is what I like right here. Okay, we couldn't make a higher high, and that's what's important. See these? See? Now we finally stalled. If we get a down day tomorrow, the fall's on down to the 790 area, and that's what we need to see. Okay, like as far as our little trends, we definitely closed above it briefly on Friday. Now we're back below it. And remember, this was all flutter volume. See how we touched that even today with that upper wick, if you can see it right there. Oh yeah, one more thing is what I like here. This is what I mean about rolling over. Okay? It's looking good for the pullback. I'm definitely going to be probably getting all cash again somewhere between 790 and 750. Depending on how things go on the way down. Hopefully it goes down too quick, or I don't even have time to do anything. Definitely not going to be at the post this week, and I like seeing today that the market couldn't hold its gains, and we're back under 8,070, and I wanted to talk about that real quick before I close it out. If you noticed Friday's daily chart, how it found support and we were above it. When it crashed through it, they damn near closed us on the nut at 8,076. Look at your day chart today, how it battled 8,070. That's a big point. You know, that's a good one. We're underneath it. Let's get down through 78.80 now. Good luck.